that little lizard you found in your pool has grown into a giant beast, a giant prehistoric creature that is eating and growing at a fantastic rate. We've got to stop it, little Billy!
First, my name isn't little Billy, it's Linda. And second of all, I just called you because I ordered a pizza. Now, where is my pizza and what are you talking about monsters for?
Oh, little Billy, you're all confused. It must have shot a mind control confusion ray at you. Probably shot it at you with evil lizard eyes. It has all sorts of powers that we don't even understand. It's out there right now. And besides, you don't want a pizza, little Billy. The prehistoric beast, it attacks pizzas and everyone who likes them.
Look, Mr. Weirdo, why don't you just deliver your nuttiness pizza somewhere else, you nutbag? I mean, in case you haven't noticed, this is the 21st century and dinosaurs are extinct just like your brain. So why don't you go deliver your pizza somewhere else? And oh, by the way, I don't have a pool, and in case you haven't noticed, I'm a woman, you moron.
Oh, little Billy, you've got to stop living in this fantasy!